Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Review with TV. Today we're going to talk about the Black & Decker 6-volt alkaline screwdriver set. Right, so this is how the package looks like. Right, so this is the screwdriver, right, and you get all these 14 piece set. It's a 14-piece set, so you get this 14-piece screwdriver set, and then they also give you 4 alkaline batteries. Right? In the back of it, you see all the different screwdriver bits that are available. So we have 14 in all. It gives you specifications for that, and towards the very end you will see that you get the voltage at 6V, max torque, no load speed, and weight. It's pretty heavy. Let's see, let's open it up and take a look at it. Be careful guys when opening up such packets, because there is a possibility that you might cut your fingers. Okay, with the screwdriver, the screwdriver bits, batteries, and you also have the instruction manual and how to use guide. So this is the how to guide. It tells you how to remove the socket, put in the battery, how do you put the drill bits, all of that, all the other information. So let's see. So I guess this is how you can remove this casing and put in the batteries. And this one, I think if you press this, it'll drive forward. If you do this, it'll go in the reverse direction. And there's an option where you can change it from power mode to manual mode, and you can see that. Okay, so this was Black & Decker's alkaline screwdriver set. Hope you liked my video. For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.